Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually cancel an order on Whatnot shopping platform. So for canceling an order, you have to simply follow these steps. First, you have to simply click on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. This is your account. Then simply you will find the account section where you can find the help and login section where you can simply click on this contact us button here. So you can contact with the community and you can request for a help. But here you can find another option that is actually order issues. So you can simply click on it where you can find purchases, where you can find the in progress or the complete or delivered product list here. If you can find your product, you can filter it by the categories here. You can find in progress categories. That means you can find all of the product that is in progress to deliver to you. For example, this product is on preparing the package, so it's not on delivery right now, on road right now, so you can actually cancel it. So remember that, make sure that you have canceled the product, the specific product, in time before it get on the road to you. Then after simply click on that product, then you can find this type of interface where you can find the progress bar here. So you can find preparing package typically ships in 1 day. After outing for a shipment, you have to cancel it. Then simply click on get help with this purchase. Then you can simply click on it. Then here you can see eligible for a refund within 40 days of deliveries. Now you can find this actually a policy. It is probably for all sellers on Whatnot. So if you get the delivery, then you can return it with a policy of refund within 40 days. Then you can simply click on that and you will find that eligible to request cancellation. That means you can request a cancellation. So request for the cancel this product. So you can simply click on this request cancellation. Then it will ask for preview or some reasons, valid reasons why you want to cancel this product, what's wrong with that product, or what you are thinking about, or if it's for or anything. So you can actually send this request message or this reason message will goes to the review team and also to the seller, so the seller can get rated by the review team. So make sure you have added a valid reason. For example, any type of accident or any type of reason, that unfortunate reason that for that you cannot actually pick up this product or you want to cancel, then you have to enter that reason and you can simply click on send request. After approving by the seller, this product can be cancelled. But make sure that the reason could be valid, so the seller could cancel your this delivery process or this product delivered to you. So that's how you can cancel order on Whatnot. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.